Hello and welcome to my Karcher pressure washer review video. So in today's video I'm going to be reviewing the pressure washer. I have already used it, but I'm not 100% satisfied on the results, so I don't feel like that is a fair review because I didn't actually use some of the bits and bobs that were provided to me to get my satisfaction levels up. So I'll pop a photo of the patio before and after, and it definitely is a lot cleaner, but there are a lot of little black spots on the patio which I'm hoping I can get rid of today. So inside it comes with 3 different heads. You've got the power jet head, which I was using. You've also got this surface cleaner, which is a massive time saver, and I also used this first. But then the one thing that I didn't use is this, which is a dirt blaster, and it's got 100% power. So I think this is what I needed on my patio. So today I'm going to be using this along with the provided patio cleaner that it comes with in the box, which I think this patio desperately needs. And on the back of the pressure washer there is a pipe that you can insert into the patio cleaner, and you can do them all at once. So I'm going to be doing that today and seeing if we can get rid of some of these black spots. I am happy with the performance of it so far. It's extremely lightweight, so if you're worried about not being able to carry that around, it is lightweight. It comes with a good sized lead and a decent amount of pressure. I just wasn't quite happy with the results, but again I think that's because this needed a huge clean after our renovation project, and I could probably have done with one that's called the dirt blaster. Bought this from Screwfix for £119, but you also can get it on Amazon as well, so I'll leave both links to them down below. But yeah, so far I'm pretty happy with it. I think what my expectation was is that it was so dirty, I was just hoping it would look amazing, but I think it needed a good old dirt blaster, so I'm going to give that a go today, and yeah, I'll let you know how I get on. But oh, and just one thing to mention, you will need to put it together when you get it out the box, and one thing that I failed to do was push this one in tight enough. Oh, why does everything go wrong? And where's the other one? And I didn't push the hose in tight enough as well, so it just needs to be really pushed in until you hear a click, otherwise it'll just start squirting out all over the place. Okay, so as I explained earlier, you can see like all these black spots all over our patio, and I think I was just expecting it to get rid of all of those the first time. Yeah, like I said, I think I needed the sand blaster, so just going to give it all a sweep now. Make sure you sweep before you do your patio as well, and we'll get going with it, I think, because it's absolutely boiling today. It's the hottest day of the year so far, about 27 I think, so probably not the best day to do it, but might be the only one. Okay, first things first, make sure that everything is swept. Okay, to change the actual head is extremely simple. You push in and twist, and then it comes out. Same again, you push in and twist. There we go. And that's all ready to go. In terms of the wand, I haven't done the washer before this, so it does come out. You pull it and you obviously take the lid off. Oh no, you don't take the lid off. You stick it in the bottle, so we'll have to give that a go. Okay, let me connect the hose. So I just want to take off my hose and then pull this back, and then you want to make sure it is really in. You hear that click? Otherwise you will get squirt everywhere. So then I'm gonna stick this. I thought it needed to be up high, but I'll stick it like that, and hopefully that will keep it in place. Okay, so that's my machine ready to go really. I've got it plugged inside, the hose pipe is in, the washing stuff is in, and now I'm just going to go and move this table. Okay, so I've just turned the water on. It's down the side of the house, and I'm going to give this a go. I don't think you'll be able to see it happening in real time, like it getting clean, because when it's wet you can't really see it. So it'll just be a case of looking at the video before and then checking what it looks like after, once it's dry. So let's get cracking, I think. Dirt blaster option. Actually, you can see the dirt being blasted off. This has got me excited. The black spots are actually coming off, so I'm putting you a bit closer. Hopefully you can see. I'll do this slab now, or I might do that one, it's a bit further away, so just ignore the tripod leg because I'm getting angles. Ready? Looking good. Blast all the weeds away as well. Bye. Bye. This is excellent. Yeah, this is exactly what I wanted. I wanted to get rid of all those black spots. One recommendation, maybe don't jet wash before you're going out. I'm covered in mud, but yeah, it was looking good actually. I think it got quite a lot of the black spots off that I wanted to. I can see a few here, but I honestly just haven't got it in me to carry on. But one thing I did notice, it didn't use any of this. I did try to get it to work, but I'll have to read the manual on that one. Right, so I'll go clean up and then we'll let it dry and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, so I've just changed it to this head just to wash myself down. I noticed the mix. So let me see if it mixes. Oh yeah, look. It's starting to clean it. It's using it. Okay, so that's good to know, I suppose, isn't it? I'm just going to go over it with this now. And then clean myself down. Okay, so before I show you the reveal, I thought it was best that we repoint the patio before I show you anything, just so you can see the actual effects of how having it cleaned and having it repointed, you know, really does make a huge difference. So obviously we'd blasted out all of the old joints, so I thought it's best to just do this as soon as possible, otherwise you will have loads of weeds and grass growing in the joints if you don't do it very quickly. Yeah, it's looking a lot better. I think we're going to also maybe buy a sealant to seal the patio as well, and then it should look pretty good. But yeah, we'll see how it looks tomorrow. Okay, so this is just a quick recap of what it looked like the first time I jet washed it. As you can see, it's pretty clean, but it's not amazing. And then this is what it looked like after I jet washed it the second time. And this is what it looks like after jet washing and repointing. I absolutely can't believe that we've managed to make it look like this. It looks like a country cottage flooring, and I'm so happy with the results. So if you're thinking about getting this pressure washer, then I can't say anything other than good things about it. It was fairly affordable and it's done exactly the job that I want it to. If I wasn't totally lazy, I would have got rid of every single black spot I could see, because the pressure washer had no issues doing it. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe for more like this.